Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Kevin's Live here at 2 o'clock in Dunbrody House. And it's a fantastic day. And Julian decided that I was cooking a chickpea chicken curry casserole.
That's it.
Simple. Is that it?
Yeah.
Is that what I'm doing, Julian?
Yeah.
Well, I'm delighted I got it right anyway. So we have some yellow peppers, some red onions, some garlic, some chicken, some chickpeas, some chopped tomatoes, some Madras curry paste, tomato paste, and coriander, olive oil, salt and pepper, a pot, 1 spoon, and a knife, and we're sorted. So it's like, if you get everything on the table, it just makes your life so much easier. Everything to hand, and you just like work away. So, alright, so red onion. In Indian cuisine, they use an awful lot of onion, okay, and they cook it down for a long period of time, and they literally caramelize it, and it kind of gives a good base for their sauces, which is really good. But we're going to do the really kind of quickie one here. So, no one's saying hello to you there, Julian. What?
No, I have a few
You're
euros
just
coming
ignoring
up.
them, are you ignoring them, or are you ignoring them?
I was
Don't
letting
ignore
you do the little introduction there.
Good stuff.
So, yeah,
okay, so now talking now. You're trying to talk over me.
You have a few euros
I'm
now
talking
coming up.
over you. Okay, so oil in here, and in with the onions.
They all love the shop. They say that
Sure, nice, isn't it?
nice and smart today.
Okay, and we're just going to let that cook down to get a bit soft. And I kind of like, when I'm doing a curry, I kind of like a wide-based pot, because everything kind of cooks down faster for you. You can get it going. And the best thing about curries is, it's like a stew. It's better tomorrow, because it matures in the pot, and you just get better flavours from it. And the trick with a good curry is that you have spices in curries, right? But never over spice it, because you should be able to taste all the ingredients in a curry. So, and that's when you know you're eating a good curry, that the mouth is not being burnt off you, but you can still get the spice, and you can taste the coriander and the cloves and everything else that's in there, the cumin seeds, mustard seeds. But this curry paste here, Patet's curry paste, fabulous stuff. It's all natural, there's no additives or anything in it, so it's a really good curry paste if you're going to buy a curry paste.
There is one question, do you use white onion, can you use normal onions? Or?
You can use a white onion as well, but you didn't give me red onions, so that's what we're using. So
That was the one I had in the fridge for today.
okay, so you can see they're caramelizing down nicely. In with that's chicken breast. You can use chicken thighs if you want. You just cut that down into strips. We're just going to brown that off.
If you want to make it just vegetarian, can you add just chickpeas?
You can just use chickpeas if you want and have a vegetarian dish. If you're going to just do chickpeas, please put in some aubergines in there. Some aubergines are delicious in curry. One of my favourite things to eat from a curry house would be an aubergine bhaji, which is an aubergine vegetable dish. Fabulous, really nice. So we've got some yellow peppers, which is unusual to put it into a curry, Julian. Just saying.
It's going to be a fusion curry.
Nice and sweet anyway, so that's really good stuff. In they go.
Would you show how to do a bhaji in the next few days?
Yeah, no problem at all. I love bhaji. Okay, now we're going to put in our chickpeas in there. And a curry paste. Oh, the smells are unbelievable, aren't they? Put a smile on everybody's face.
If you use the chicken breast, will it cook quicker than chicken thighs?
It will, but I tell you, the advantage of using the chicken thighs, I'm looking for it. Chicken thighs is they're moister. So I think they're nice. Good here.
I think it took them all out.
Wrong kitchen.
Yeah.
Still work. Does the job, doesn't it? Okay, so we have our tomato, chopped tomatoes going in there now.
I know already it's going to be beautiful.
I know, it's just like perfect flavours going in there.
Can you do it in a slow cooker?
You can, and if you're doing it in a slow cooker, just throw everything in, all those ingredients into the slow cooker. What I do with the chopped tomatoes, just strain them. So you don't want the juice because you need to reduce your liquid by a third when you're using a slow cooker, because all the juices stay in it because it's a sealed unit. So, oh look at that, Julian.
That smells nice.
Little bit of tomato puree.
Do you need to add salt and pepper in a curry, or do you?
I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Not pepper, just salt. Salt is the flavour enhancer, so it's going to bring out all those flavours in there.
And there is one question asking, would you add coconut milk to this?
You can do, but I wouldn't. Personally. I like... I don't really like creamy curries. I like just like tomato-based curries. Just looks... Now, bring that up to strong heat. Bring it up to the boil. And then I want you to simmer. And I want you to simmer for about 3/4 of an hour. And let those flavours. And then do it during the day. Let it simmer for 3/4 of an hour. Turn the heat off. Just leave it to the side. And let the flavours really kind of come out. And then later on that day, heat it up with some beautiful rice. Oh. I love jasmine rice. Yeah, jasmine rice, there's a lovely fragrance of it. And when I do the jasmine rice, I always put a little bit of lemon zest through it. And it's just delicious. So we have some coriander here. Come in. Oh, the smells. Wish you could smell it. You're just going to have to go onto my bio on KevinDunn.com for the recipe. And you'll be able to cook it at home and you get those flavours and smells that are happening in this kitchen in Dunbrody House into your own kitchen at home. Take care.